Hi lads, a quick video here looking at question 2 from the revision exercise on page 231. Okay, so the first question asks us, how many people did John survey? So if you look at the graph here, you'll see that there was 10 families here, 20, so it's 10 plus 20 plus 20 plus 10 plus 5 plus 5. Okay, so you can see basically that John surveyed 70 children or 70 second year students. Then the question asks you to complete the frequency table. So again, you're given the table there and you need to fill it in. So how do you fill it in? Well, you look up here and you see, well, 10 people, that there's one child per family. So you put in 10 there, there's 20 here, 20 goes there. So again, that's what your table should look like. The next part of the question asks you to find the mean number of children. So what is the mean? Mean is an average where you add up the total amount and then you divide by how many people you surveyed. So for example, there was 10 families by 1, there was 20 families by 2, 3 families by 20, then 10 families by 4, 5 by 5, 6 by 5. So you basically we're doing multiplication here because that's addition done lots of times. So you add them all up, then divide by the number of people that were surveyed. So you get down your mean average of 2.93. The next question then says no single mode. And the reason why there was no single mode means the most popular. So you can see this stays the same here. So it's the same in both of them. So each one is equally likely. Then you're asked for the median. So the median is the middle value of an ordered list. So one way of doing this is that you write out, that there was 10 families with 1, so you add them up, write them out. 20 families by 2, write them out. 20 families by 3, write them out. 10 families by 4, write them out. 5 by 5, 6 by 6, and you can write them all like that. And then what you do is you just cross the first one, the last one, the next one, the next one, and you keep on going until you find the middle values here, which would be that the median was 3. This takes a lot of time. You can see it's easy to make a mistake writing them all out. So a better way, and you can see it I've written out here, is I've got 70 families and I've divided by 2. So that tells me the 70 divided by 2 is 35. That means the 35th and 36th value are my middle terms. So all I do is I'm looking for the 35th and 36th value. Well, so if I look at this, my first 10 values are 1. My next 20 bring me up to 30 is 2. So my 35th and 36th value will be 3. So I get 3 as the median. Now it's kind of a quicker and easier way to do it. Finally, range, biggest minus smallest. So 6 children minus 1 children. So the range is 5 children per family. I hope this video helps.